Let me show you on this video how to add your Noupe chatbot to your Shopify store. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Noupe. On this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Noupe chatbot to your Shopify store. So let's get started. Once we head on over to edit the Noupe chatbot, you finish training, you finish customizing, next thing you need to do is grab the code. So let's go ahead and copy this code and jump over to Shopify. So this is my Shopify store. This is my demo store that I'm going to use for this purpose. And I'm located in the online store for this specific website. What I need to do next is jump in to edit the theme. Once I'm here, I'm going to show you two ways to add your Noupe chatbot. The first way is to add it on a specific page. So let's go into this specific example. So I'm going to go into the contact page and I'm going to add the Noupe chatbot right here. So what I'm going to do here is click on add a section. Here we go. And I'm going to search for custom liquid. And it's this one right here. And here we go. We're going to add this right now. So let's go ahead and add a brand new section to the template. I can do so by clicking here or add a section over here on the left. Now, what I'm going to search for is the custom liquid. So let me go ahead and type in liquid here. And here it is, custom liquid. I'm going to select this and it's going to add a section that's invisible that will allow me to add the Noupe chatbot code. So remember the code that we've just copied on Noupe? Well, we're going to paste that right here. And that will enable us to have the Noupe chatbot right here on our Shopify store. If I go ahead and test this, I am now able to type right here and start using the Noupe chatbot for my visitors. So it's super easy and practical to embed it this way. Now be aware that the way that I've just embedded the Noupe chatbot is for a specific page. So I would have to add this code individually to every single page where I want to display the Noupe chatbot. This is one of the ways that you can do this. Another way you can do this is by adding an application here on Shopify that will allow you to add the code in the entire website. Okay, so let me go ahead and remove this section right now. And let's go ahead and use the other option. To do that, we're going to click on the option right here for the app embeds. Now, in my case, I've already installed the application, but what you have to do is click on Shopify App Store. It's going to take you here. Go ahead and search for HTML, and it'll give you several options to use for the embed code option. In this case, I am using the Mega HTML, CSS, and JS code embed. Just go ahead and click on this and install it. In this case, it's already installed, and that's why I am able to use this inside of my Shopify theme. Okay, so by doing that, I will now have the option right here. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Let's go ahead and get the options, and you have several available options here. We're going to add the Noupe code into the HTML code option. Let's go ahead and do so right now. And here it is. Now, what makes this different is that this is going to be now embedded on the entire website, not a specific page. So it's a great option to use the Shopify app here to embed your Noupe chatbot on the entire site. So I hope you like this video. You can see how easy it is to add your Noupe chatbot into your Shopify store. So what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for Noupe and start building your chatbot to provide support for your visitors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.